Miss Wilson, what I don't understand is, if this guy was such a charlatan...
Why did I live there a year? I'm
I
sorry.
wouldn't let you live in my house for 2 seconds, sir. You're a real pain in the neck.
You don't know anything about me, Your Honor.
Well, you're a pain in the neck and very disrespectful.
I'm sorry,
you
I'm disrespectful.
are very
I'm
disrespectful.
sorry, I'm disrespectful. This lady's here trying to get $5,000 from me when she has no right getting it.
Let me explain something to you, sir. You are very disrespectful in a court setting. You don't seem to understand that. She's not being disrespectful.
Of course not. You should see her at home. I'm sorry, but when you're wrong, then you know you are right.
Well, I want to tell you something. The first business deal you had with this lady, there is no question in my mind that you did not warn her that she was going to lose her $1,000 because she doesn't look like she's a nut to me. And if she met somebody for 2 minutes and all of a sudden she wrote out a check for $1,000, that was based... Quiet! That was based in part upon you, sir, who had already invested money in this business, who wanted more money in this business, encouraging or... Wrong? Fine. How much money is in this agreement that you have with Michael?
There's $1,000 plus the camcorder pieces that I didn't get back, plus what I thought was $900 because David's sitting there telling me that they're all Michael's calls.
What about your $600 credit from Pacific Bell? Ooh, hey.
I want to tell you something, madam. Consider yourself lucky that he's out of your house.
I am.
Consider yourself lucky that he's out of your house. It was your mistake. These finances you are never going to put in order. You have some claims against Michael. You may have to sue him to get your money from him for some of these long-distance calls.
None of this is Michael's.
$1,700 in phone bills.
None of them are Michael's.
Wrong.
I can prove it.
Well, let me hear that. Let me hear about the phone bill.
All right, here's a phone bill for $172.99. They're calls from Reno, from Dillon, Colorado, which is his sister's phone number, to Reno, Nevada. $172.
Can I see those, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Those are mine. I admit to those.
Well, so how much do you owe her for the phone bills?
Nothing. I paid her.
How?
Right here.
Your Honor, if you take a look at my checks and everything, plus things... Your Honor, all I'm asking you is to take a look at my witness statements, which I was under the impression that as long as they had a valid reason they couldn't be here, that you would accept this notarized statement.
From this gentleman in the Army?
Yes. He cannot
What's
be
his
here.
name?
You want his last name? I didn't know if I could say.
Yeah, say his name.
Corporal Nathan.
Do you know this person, Nathan?
Never seen him or heard of him. I don't know who he is.
Yeah, I'm going to take a look.
These are
I'm going to take a look.
By the way, also, this is an individual in Canada who cannot be here, who states
Who is that?
This is another individual phone calls made to Canada that Michael
Your
called.
girlfriend who you got.
Just a second. I'm not interested in that. There's no reason why somebody from Canada can't be here.
No, this will prove that the call's made.
I'm going to see if somebody is in the military and can't be here because they're in the military, that's a valid reason to accept the statement. Let me just take a look at it.
But who is the person? I've never heard of him.
Yeah, right.
I'm sorry. Jeez.
I'm not accepting this, sir.
Why not?
I'm going to tell you why not. Because there's no valid reason for him not being here. It was notarized in California, and the reason he says he can't be here is because his schedule is hectic. That's not a reason.
Okay, ma'am.
That's
How about
not
the
a
person
reason.
in Canada? Hey, what are you going to expect them to fly down? Why don't you just make your claim, make your judgment for her? Okay, let's get this over with so I don't waste my time from work anymore, okay?
Very good. Judgment in this case is for the plaintiff in the amount of $5,000, and the countersuit is dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Parties are excused. Step out, please.